Once you are ready for your core pickup, you are going to request a pickup online. You are going to go to powertrainproducts.net and I will pop up what this process looks like.
In whatever browser you are using, you are going to type in powertrainproducts.net. Now, at the top of our website, you'll see a menu and you are going to click on the Core Returns tab. This is the form that you need to fill out to let us know that your core is ready. The first thing that you are going to do is select which product you are returning from this list. You will then type in your name as seen on your invoice. This means if you purchase for a shop, you will put the shop name there. If your wife purchased with her card, you will put your wife's name there. You'll then type in your invoice number, your email address, which you want to match the email address that you've been using with us for this whole process, and your phone number. Now, this is going to ask you if this is a warranty related pickup. If this is just a core, then the answer is no. And then you're going to put your pickup address. So if it is located at a shop, you will put the name of the shop there, as well as the address of the shop, or if it's at a friend's house, wherever it needs to be picked up from, you will put that address in these boxes here. And then last but not least, you're going to put the phone number of the person who is arranging for the pickup. So again, if it's a shop, you want to put the shop's phone number here. If it is your friend's house, you'd want to use your friend's phone number here. You can put hours, and then of course you would always want to select yes for a lift gate, select confirm, and then submit your request form. You will then be brought to this confirmation page, and you will also get a confirmation email that states that we have your request.
Okay, so what I just showed you is the website version that you're probably accessing from a computer. Just as a heads up, if you are using your cell phone and you are using our mobile site to request your core pickup, the menu does look a little bit different. And in order to get to the core return tab, you're still going to go to powertrainproducts.net, but you're going to scroll all the way to the bottom where you will find the core return option all the way at the bottom. The form and everything else is still the same.